Hello everyone. Welcome to UPSC Explainer 101. Today, we'll explore the making of regional cultures from Class 7 NCERT History Chapter 7. Let's dive in. Discuss the significance of language in shaping regional identities in India, taking examples from historical evolutions. Answer. In Tamil Nadu, the majority speak Tamil and have a rich Dravidian heritage. The Chera kingdom in the 9th century in present-day Kerala championed Malayalam, leaving inscriptions in the language. Bengali in Bengal was a product of Sanskrit influences, Mughal rule, and regional dynamics, becoming the primary language of the region. How have religious traditions influenced regional cultures in India? Answer. In Puri, Orissa, the Jagannatha cult is significant. The deity, once a local god, was later identified with Vishnu, showing a blend of local and pan-Indian traditions. Temples in Bengal, built from the 15th century onwards, not only served as religious centers but also reflected the socio-political status of patrons. Elaborate on the heroic traditions in India and their impact on regional cultures. Answer. The Rajputs of Rajasthan cherished ideals of heroism, often choosing battlefield valor over defeat. Their tales were immortalized in songs and poems. The stories encapsulated emotions like loyalty, bravery, and friendship, influencing societal values. Describe the evolution and significance of dance forms like Kathak in the cultural history of India. Answer. Kathak evolved from temple storytellers called Kathaks. With the Bhakti movement, it adopted tales of Radha Krishna and later flourished in Mughal courts. The dance form showcases a blend of local stories and influences from various Indian cultures. How has art, especially miniature painting, evolved in India, and what has been its impact on regional cultures? Answer. Mughal emperors, especially Akbar and Jahangir, patronized miniature paintings, leading to masterpieces illustrating historical and poetic narratives. After the Mughal decline, painters migrated to regional courts. As a result, places like Rajasthan and the Himalayan foothills saw a synthesis of Mughal and local art styles. Delve into the cultural and religious syncretism observed in regions like Bengal. Answer. In Bengal, pirs, spiritual guides or saints, became prominent, reflecting a blend of Islamic and indigenous practices. The region's culinary traditions, especially its emphasis on fish, are influenced by its riverine geography and represent a mix of indigenous and external influences. How have historical events and external influences shaped the cultural landscape of regions in India? Answer. Bengal, under Akbar's rule, saw a harmonization of Mughal administrative practices with regional cultures. Yet, Bengali language and traditions retained their distinctiveness. The temple building trend in Bengal during the 15th century was both a religious endeavor and a reflection of the region's evolving socio-political landscape. Prelims MCQs. The temple theatre of Kerala borrowed stories primarily from a. Local folk tales, b. Buddhist Jataks, c. Sanskrit epics, d. Persian legends. Answer. C. Sanskrit epics. Which text from Bengal in the 13th century permitted the local Brahmanas to consume certain varieties of fish? A. Dharmashastra, b. Brihadharma Purana, c. Manusmriti, d. Aranyakas. Answer. B. Brihadharma Purana. Rasamanjari was a popular text to be painted in which style of miniature painting? A. Mughal, b. Rajput, c. Basohli, d. Deccan. Answer. C. Basohli. The term Manipravalam in literary context refers to a mix of which two languages? A. Tamil and Sanskrit, b. Malayalam and Kannada, c. Sanskrit and Malayalam, d. Telugu and Tamil. Answer. C. Sanskrit and Malayalam. The wooden image of which deity suggests that it was originally a local god later identified with Vishnu? A. Shiva, b. Jagannatha, c. Durga, d. Rama. Answer. B. Jagannatha. Where did the Kangra school of painting primarily develop? A. Rajasthan, b. Bengal, c. Himalayan foothills, d. Deccan Plateau. Answer. C. Himalayan foothills. Which dynasty in the 12th century decided to erect a temple for Purushottama Jagannatha at Puri? A. Maurya dynasty, b. Ganga dynasty, c. Chola dynasty, d. Gupta dynasty. Answer. B. Ganga dynasty. Miniature paintings during the Mughal era primarily illustrated a. Religious scriptures, b. Historical accounts and poetry, c. Astrological charts, d. Architectural designs. Answer. B. Historical accounts and poetry. Which of the following was not a significant theme in the Mangalikavyas? A. Local deities. B. Heroic battles. C. Legends of kings. D. Nature's beauty. Answer: D. Nature's beauty. What does the term animism refer to? A. The belief in the existence of individual spirits that inhabit natural objects. B. The worship of ancestors. C. The worship of only one god. D. The practice of meditation. Answer: A. The belief in the existence of individual spirits that inhabit natural objects. The term Manipravalam is associated with a blend of which languages? A. Sanskrit and Tamil. B. Sanskrit and Malayalam. C. Kannada and Telugu. D. Bengali and Oriya. Answer: B. Sanskrit and Malayalam. The Kathak dance form is believed to have originated from A. Storytelling traditions. B. Martial art practices. C. Royal court entertainments. D. Temple rituals. Answer: A. Storytelling traditions. Where was the Chera kingdom of Mahodepuram located? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Karnataka. C. Kerala. D. Andhra Pradesh. Answer: C. Kerala. The term Mangalikavyas refers to A. Astronomical charts. B. War strategies. C. Poems dealing with local deities. D. Royal decrees. Answer: C. Poems dealing with local deities. Basoli is a style of A. Dance. B. Architecture. C. Miniature painting. D. Music. Answer: C. Miniature painting. Which place was the capital of Bengal under Mughal control in the eastern delta? A. Kolkata. B. Murshidabad. C. Dhaka. D. Siliguri. Answer: C. Dhaka. Vishnupur, known for its terracotta temples, is located in which state? A. Bihar. B. Orissa. C. West Bengal. D. Jharkhand. Answer: C. West Bengal. Considering the influence of the Mughal Empire on regional art forms, which of the following statements is correct? A. The Mughal influence was limited only to North India. B. Mughal artistic tastes influenced the regional courts of the Deccan and the Rajput courts of Rajasthan, shaping their unique styles. C. Mughal emperors discouraged regional art forms in favor of Persian art. D. The Mughal influence was primarily in architecture and not in miniature painting. Answer: B. Mughal artistic tastes influenced the regional courts of the Deccan and the Rajput courts of Rajasthan, shaping their unique styles. Given the information about the evolution of Bengali as a regional language, which of the following factors was not influential? A. Commercial ties between Bengal and Magadha. B. The settlement of Brahmanas by Gupta rulers in North Bengal. C. The conquest of Bengal by Akbar. D. The maritime trade routes established by the Cholas. Answer: D. The maritime trade routes established by the Cholas. Analyzing the spread of the Kathak dance form, which factor played a significant role in its evolution in the courts of Rajasthan and Lucknow? A. Its association with the Bhakti movement. B. The influence of the Mughal court. C. The patronage of Wajid Ali Shah. D. Its roots in temple storytelling traditions. Answer: B. The influence of the Mughal court. Considering the temple building spree in Bengal from the late 15th century, what can be inferred about the social groups supporting these constructions? A. They were mainly constructed by the upper caste Brahmanas. B. They were often built by powerful regional kings to showcase their dominance. C. They were mainly supported by low social groups whose economic position improved over time. D. They were financed by the Mughal emperors as a token of religious harmony. Answer: C. They were mainly supported by low social groups whose economic position improved over time. Given the information on the cult of Peers in Bengal, what can be inferred about the religious landscape of the region during the period? A. The Brahmanical faith was the sole dominant religion in Bengal. B. There was a strict division between Islamic and Hindu practices. C. The religious landscape was diverse, and local beliefs often intertwined with established religious practices. D. The cult of Peers was introduced by the Mughal invaders to promote Persian beliefs. Answer: C. The religious landscape was diverse, and local beliefs often intertwined with established religious practices. Thanks for watching.